Good morning, my friends. It's Sunday morning, and I'm going to do breakfast today. I'm getting very intentional on vlogging my food that I cook. So this morning, I'm going to do breakfast. But I want to say thank you. Thank you to all my subscribers that's rocking with me. I appreciate you guys. I always say it, but I'm very grateful. Very grateful. So I want to thank my new subscribers, my old subscribers, my future subscribers. I want to thank anybody that just watches. You know, you don't even have to be a subscriber, but if you're watching, I appreciate you, but I would like you to subscribe. It's early Sunday morning. I'm hungry. We're going to make some sage sausage, bacon, and some muffins. I'm going to get it and I'm going to come and I'm going to show you what I'm going to cook. So I'm going to cook these muffins that I bought from BJ. I'm going to cook them up so they don't go bad. I've been eating them, but you know, we're going to finish them up today. And we're going to do some sage sausage. And we got to look some bacon. So we're going to be cooking all this up this morning for breakfast. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. Alrighty, I'm back. Cutting on the stove for the start the sausage. 2 sage sausages. One for me, one for my niece. My fiance sleep. So when he get up, who knows what he'll eat. But anyway, we're going to cook the rest of this little bit of bacon that's in this bag. I got a whole nother pack in there, but we're going to put this bacon in here with it. It ain't but a couple of pieces. 3 lonely pieces of bacon we're going to cook with the sausage. I should have put a little grease. I'm going to put a little grease in it for the sausage. So, you guys know that I'm vlogging. I'm going to try to vlog. I'm not vlogging every day, but I'm going to vlog more. And it's going to be the stuff that we like. Food. Not too many people filling my cruises. But it's okay. I did it for fun. And you always can go and watch it to see what's going on in my shenanigan world of my cruise. This pan we're going to use for the muffins. But we're going to get this cooked up some before we start the muffins. So, we're making breakfast this morning. You see that? Breakfast. I don't know. Let's see. You know, people say I should say stuff to you guys like encouraging words and all that good stuff. The only encouraging words I can tell y'all this morning is y'all should be thanking God if you woke up this morning. And I'm in New York City. We getting ready to get a blizzard going on here. So y'all pray for me. And I will pray for you. You can put it down in the comments where you're from. And we'll pray together if that's what you want. Because we're going to be stuck in here again for another 2 weeks. So, if I'm stuck in the house for 2 weeks, we're going to get some videos going. We're going to do some whole lot of stuff. Because I ain't going to be able to go out. I was in the cruise the last storm. So, but I'm home for this one. So come on back. We're going to cook up the food. I'm going to cook up my muffins. I'm going to show y'all. But we're going to cook up this bacon. I don't like to keep y'all on so long. Like some people do. Oh no, we can't use that. Because that'll mess up my pan. And we are not messing up my pan. So we'll use these. Right? Any comments below about what y'all think y'all want to watch? What y'all want me to do? Not watch, but what would y'all like me to do? Comment below. Hey, my friends again. I'm thinking about getting me a electric grill pan. So, to make it easier with cooking. You know, me, I'm old school. I'll put it in a pot in a minute. But I'm thinking about getting me a small grill pan because I don't need a big one because it's just me and my fiance pretty much that I cook breakfast for, except for on the weekend when my niece is around, you know, because young people got to work. So I'm thinking about getting a grill pan instead of always cooking breakfast like this in my pan, like this. I can get me a little electric grill pan, right? And then it'll be easier. I won't have to cook it like that. I can put it here and cook on the stove. What y'all think? If you guys want me to have one, let me know if you think I should get one. Okay, our meat is cooking. I got the pan on for the muffins. I'm putting some butter in there. We're going to let that melt up. These little sage sauces take a long time to cook, so we're going to still be cooking them while the bacon is finished here. Just about. So these little things here, you got to cook them to make sure that they're done on the inside, because they're completely raw and they take a while to cook. So the bacon will be done before those finish. But the muffins take a long time too, for some reason. So just to warm them up and toast them up, they take a minute. So by the time those are done, these should be done too. But I just want to show you guys how I put them, lay them down here in the pan, and how we're going to cook them up. These are some good muffins. They're corn muffins. People don't cook them. People eat them just like this. You can eat them just like this. They're still good. But me, I like to toast mine. That's why I said I need me a little grill pan, so I can just cook everything at one time. Probably. But this is good. We're doing good here this morning. What everybody else is going to have on their Sunday breakfast. For breakfast on Sunday. I'm getting it in before church. Then I'm going to watch church on the TV. You know, they make everything so convenient now. I can watch TV, church on the TV. I don't have to go out. Look, I'm about to burn my bacon. Messing with you people. Messing with you people. Plate with some paper. Now we'll let the sauces cook some more while those are cooking. And when we come back, we shall be eating breakfast. Okay, we done flipped the muffins. That's the first side. I'm going to dap a little more butter in it, so we can get the other side looking like that. We're going to swivel it around. I told you the muffins take just as long as the sausage. Because they still, see, some of them still ain't got enough to me. But we're going to go with it. I'm going to try to get that margarine up under there. And see the sausage? They're cooking nice and slow. I like them toasted. They want them brownie brown. You'll know when they're ready, because it'll stop making so much noise. And they'll be done around the same time as the muffins. When you come back, I'll be eating. Alright, I want to make me a cup of iced coffee. I want to show you guys how I do it. I mix it in this cup first. I put my teaspoon coffee in there, right? I put my sugar and my cream, my sugar. Don't judge me with my sugar. Don't judge me. Then I use a little warm water here from the sink. Right? Then I get me a straw. I stir it up. I put my cream in it, half and half. I put a little hazelnut too. Then I stir it. You can see it. I stir it all up. Get it incorporated. Then I'll take my cup and I get me some ice. Ice. Still stirring, getting it all incorporated. Y'all see that? Then I'm going to get some water out the refrigerator, cold water, and fill the cup up. I'm trying to finish my coffee up here, and I realized my TV was on. Y'all must be heard the news telling us about the winter storm, but I cut it down now. I'm going to fill this up with some water from the refrigerator, and we're going to pour it down over that ice. I'm finished cooking too. I'm going to show you my food. I wanted to show y'all how I make iced coffee. Now we're going to pour it over the ice. We have a little stuff in the bottom. I'm going to put a little more water. A little more water. Stir it up. We want all our coffee. There we go. There we go. Comes out good every time. That's good. That's some good stuff. So, I'm not even going to stop you guys. I'm just going to move you guys around. Just bear with the, the movement. I'm going to show you my food. I'm going to talk to you guys. I'm going to tell you that I'm grateful that you guys came along with me this morning to cook my breakfast. So, these are the muffins. These are the muffins. My niece done started eating, so, and this is the bacon and sausage that I'm gonna eat. So, I mean, we all know it tastes good, right? What breakfast food don't taste good? I'm gonna back you up a little bit because I'm gonna talk a minute. So, I look like you're too far. Then, so Let me get it right. There we go. I guess that's good enough. So I'm gonna have my coffee. I'm gonna have my breakfast. I'm gonna taste the muffin. These muffins are so good. I'm gonna cut a piece of my sausage because I'm gonna sit down and enjoy it all. That's good. So, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along with me on my breakfast journey this morning. It's early in the morning over here, but I got it done. I'm gonna be more intentional now on cooking and getting my content out so you guys can interact with me and see what's going on. I'm gonna take the glasses down a minute. So I want to thank you again. Thank you again. Thank you again for watching. New, old, and young. New, old, and future. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys on the next one.